Herbie's Walkers, eh? Herbie's Walkers.
I did
Here
it.
we are. What's that? There's a Basilica down there as well. A focus, yeah.
My hips have held up there.
It's the view over Florida. Look at that church down there. Can you see the big one? No. Ah, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
The village is up on the hill, isn't it?
Saliamo un attimo dentro e poi riscendiamo, perché riscendere è più complicato che salire perché becchiamo altra gente.
You want your tea?
No, no, no. Esatto, va bene, la tira.
Top of the bell tower in Florence, looking down over the city. It's all wire mesh, protecting you from dropping something. Wow. See. It's the railway station, eh? Look, can you see it? It's the railway station. Wow, amazing. There's a Ferris wheel over there, look. Can you see it?
Mandale la foto dello palco. Busquerí.
Mira, cariño. Ahora sí me ha salido bien, mira. Claro, hay que meter la cámara ahí así.
Down into the square there, look. Plaza. Straight the streets.
Oh,
There's the bridge.
Pretty palace. Yes, it is.
Pretty palace in the distance.
And
It's
the
huge.
gardens are behind it. That's where we go this
Yeah, there's
afternoon.
the pretty palace right in the middle. It's huge. Pretty palace. The gardens are behind you, you see. It's like a woods as well behind you.
There's gardens, yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
oh, they're lovely. This afternoon.
yeah, yeah. Another church here. Another basilica. It's amazing. Oops, hang on. There's quite a few people coming down here. You can't see, you can see the Arno, just about. But there, see the Arno?
Oh,
There's
yes,
a bridge there. We are further down, I think. Oh, Ponte Vecchio's over there. I think so, isn't it? Hold on. What's that river? The river's coming across.
quando aspettano che scendiamo noi.
I'm trying to spot the river here. There's the river. Just about see the river. There's another bridge in the distance.
There's like multiple.
Chiedi.
You see the outlaw in the distance.